drink, cause I'm having surgery later. Aha! Thanks for coming though, Shaway. This is not considered drinking anymore. That's for bestie. No cola before surgery. Sorry, I miss cola.
Bestie, let me use the bed.
What for? I'm sending a pic to teacher. You're so smart.